Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to start a website on Squarespace. Let's begin. Starting a website on Squarespace is simple and user-friendly. Even if you are new to website building, the only thing that you need to do from here is go to the official website of Squarespace, and that is going to be www.squarespace.com. Once you are here, click on the Get Started button. What will happen is you would be forwarded to these options that says you might want to tell Squarespace what your site about, because this is important for so that they can suggest themes and styles that is appropriate on the brand or identity that you are going to build. You can search for your site topic if you wanted. All right. There's like photography, art, weddings, design, music, real estate and properties, construction and maintenance, apparel, travel, consulting, health, beauty, and marketing. For example, I'm going to use music. I'm going to click on next, and you might want to choose the topics that is available or applies to your store or your business or your brand. Are you going to sell online courses, sell products, showcase work or expertise, or like building portfolio, sell memberships, build community, offer a contact form, publish a blog or other media, sell on-demand videos, and a lot more? In my case, I'm just going to choose something like showing work or expertise. I'm going to click on next. Now, this is very important. You can have the option to choose a custom website guided by Squarespace Blueprint AI. So that's going to be that. Or you can choose the from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. You can browse the designer templates by clicking on this arrow, and you would be forwarded here. Now, there is topic, there is type, and entertainment. All right, so for now, you might want to hover for the entertainment templates. There's like 13 option, like this one. So it's up to you. Where do you want to choose for the content that you wanted? I'm gonna hover to this Jason Wild Faded. Now this, you have a preview of the demo site. If you click on this button right here, this is gonna be a sample of your website. If you are starting from scratch, you have the music, wall club, tour store, and your name, listen now, and a lot more. You can hover down below, right? Just to make sure that you are getting a good grasp of the website that you are working with, all right? And if this is looks really good, you might want to create a site like this on the bottom right corner. Click that, and it's loading right now. If you want to start with the design, but the thing is you have two more options here. You can use the desktop view or the mobile view. All right, you might want to check that as well. If you hover down below, you can also see some of the recommended templates. But for now, I'm good with this one. So I'm going to start with this design. You also have a sample color presets if you want to choose this one. This, you see, you are not limited with the colors, and you can have more control later. And of course, from here, all you have to do is create your account. All right, I'm gonna choose Google, or you can continue with your personal or business email. You also have more options wherein you can continue with your Apple, Facebook. After that, all I have to do is you choose the account, and from there, now here, you would be welcome with the site title. I'm going to choose this one. I'm click on next. All right. And you can create pages and remove pages in the pages panel when you are done. I'm going to show you that later. Get started. Now, this is going to be the pages panel. All right. There's going to be an edit button on the upper left corner where you can hover to all the elements if you wanted to tweak some settings. Click on it, and what will happen is if you're not happy with this, all right, you might want to click on this. That's gonna be the site logo. I'm gonna put in something here. I'm going to add my logo. By doing so, click on that. You can upload a file on your local computer or select from library. Now doing so, you can adjust the logo height. You see that? If you wanted, you can have so that's that. You can also add a mobile logo. And then that's that, all right? So we're happy with that. Now, on the upper right corner, that's going to be the site styles, wherein you can simply edit this. You can hover to the up right side corner, wherein you can change the themes from professional looking to playful, sophisticated, and a lot more, all right? So it's up to you. In the fonts, you might want to choose any of the font packs that you wanted, and then from here, you might want to put in the buttons right here. But for now, I'm gonna click this. I'm gonna close the site style for now. I'm going to save this as it is, because I'm going to show you on the left side panel. I'm gonna click on exit. I'm going to click on the pages, because this is where you can add more option for your website. For example, you wanted to add a blog, click on the plus button here. You can add a member site. You can select template for your member site homepage. Right, it'll take a little while to load, but don't worry. You see that? You can put in some member site homepage. There's a lot of options for you to choose from. Now, I'm going to close this one. In the link pages here, there's going to be a lot of options. You can enter blank page, page layouts, a blog, a store, portfolio, events, and videos. But for now, I'm going to put in a blog right here, wherein these is going to be the options for your blog. All right, you can start adding posts by clicking add post to your blog section. All right, you can also add an online store if you wanted. And for example, I'm going to put in this blog section here. I'm going to click on this, and there's going to be another edit button here. You can add a section, wherein if you do that, you can add a blank section, save section, and a lot more. All right, so on the bottom right here, there should be an option wherein you can add manage post, okay, blog content, and overview. When you hover back again to your website, you see on the website though, I'm going to click on edit again, and here on the add block, you see there's a lot of options. You can add text, add image, add a video, audio, accordion, and a lot more. All right, after doing so, all you have to do is click on the save and publish this website that you are currently working on. All right, now I'm gonna click on exit, going to click on home, and on the left side panel of your dashboard, click on settings, and there should be a domains and emails. Now, all you have to do is register and manage domains from Squarespace or other domains. If you don't have one, you might want to click on get a domain, and you can choose to buy a domain through Squarespace or connect an existing domain if you already own one. If you do that, you're going to be hovered to the plan subscription, wherein you are going to be forwarded to the checkout process, wherein you are required to have a subscription plan for you to be able to get a domains here on Squarespace. All right, and by following these steps, you'll have your Squarespace website running in no time. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.